The Three of Cups celebrates emotional abundance shared amongst equals. Three women stand in a joyful circle, raising their cups towards one another in a gesture of gratitude, unity, and friendship. After the intimate harmony of the two, emotion now expands into community. This card represents creative collaboration, support, and the uplifting power of shared joy. The central symbol is the circle of dancers. Each woman contributes a distinct presence, yet none leads. The dance flows because they move in balance. Their raised cups form a triad of connection, expressing the idea that happiness grows when shared. This unbroken circle is the living geometry of friendship, giving, receiving, and reflecting joy in rhythm. The first supporting symbol is the set of the raised golden cups. Lifted high, they signify emotional transparency and gratitude made visible. Their upward gesture acknowledges abundance already present. These cups extend the ace's overflowing potential into communal celebration, teaching that joy completes its cycle when expressed amongst others. The second symbol is the harvest at their feet, pumpkins, grapes, and blossoms spilling across the earth. This suggests fruition, nourishment, and the tangible results of emotional investment. Grapes hint at festivity and communion, pumpkins speak of plentiful reward. Together they show that shared effort yields shared abundance. The third symbol is their floral garlands. Each crown, red, white, and golden, symbolizes passion, purity, and illumination. Garlands mark festivals, rites of passage, and victories. Here they honor the spiritual reward of connection. Their beauty is temporary, reminding us to savor moments of joy before they fade. The fourth symbol is the flowing gowns. White, gold, and red garments swirl as the dancers move, echoing the fluid nature of emotion. These gowns embody the freedom of feeling expressed openly, laughter, creativity, and movement that keeps the heart alive. The fifth symbol is the open blue sky. Clear and boundless, it represents transparency, optimism, and emotional spaciousness. There are no clouds to obscure expression. This is joy lived under full awareness. Together, these symbols create a scene of communal blessing. The Three of Cups invites celebration, gathering, reunion, and artistic collaboration. It teaches that joy expands through companionship and that healing often arises from shared experience. In readings, this card signals uplifting connection, supportive friendships, and moments worth celebrating. It reminds us, joy shared becomes joy made sacred.